Hello. So in this video, we will be downloading Kafka, running it, and then testing a particular message. We will send it to the producer, and we will see whether it is getting consumed in the consumer. So let's get started. For that, I have let's go and download the binary. Yeah. Once it is downloaded, go to your downloaded folder. Then unzip this file. Once it is unzipped, I will just go inside this. And then over here in config, zookeeper.properties, you would have to change one thing. Okay. So once you unzip this, okay. So once you unzip this, unzip the downloaded file, you can go inside the config and there will be the zookeeper.config. And what you have to do is you have to edit the data directory. So I have already done this. You can provide any location. I have provided it till here. Um, sometimes it gives of sometimes it gives input too long error. For that, what we have to do is I have renamed the downloaded file to Kafka instead of the Kafka version which was there before, and then and then you just have to paste where you want your data to be. I have also created the folder. If it gives you errors, I have tried to create this data directory by myself. I have Control Shift N and then data. So you can do the same if you're facing the errors. Similarly for logs would be there from before, but you can create it if it is not the directory. Then once you make changes in zookeeper.properties, you have to make the changes in server.properties too. So over here, there will be a log directory. Yeah, this will be in log directory. You can provide the location for where you want your logs to be. After that, what we will do is we will go till this directory where our bin and config files are there. So open command prompt. And first we will start Zookeeper. The command for that is this one. And let's see. Okay. It is not giving any errors as of now. Looks like everything's fine. Okay, now we will start Kafka. The command to start Kafka is this one. So what this says is that in bin and Windows, if you are in Linux, you won't have to provide the Windows. But if you are in if you are running Kafka in your Windows machine, you have to go inside this bin, and then there is a separate bat files for Windows. So that's why you have to use this Windows directory while starting your Kafka. And then the config file will be the config files that we have just updated with the logs. Let's start this. Okay. It has started. What we will do is okay. Now we will create a topic. The command for creating the topic is there is a Kafka topics.bat. So if you go inside this Kafka topics.bat, this one. So we have to use this bat file. So we will go till now. The command for creating a topic is this. So we are calling the Kafka topics part. Create Bootstrap server. Our Bootstrap server will be running in 9092. You can check in the logs too if you are unsure. This is the one. Then replication factor. I want currently this is I'm just creating a test topic, so I will put the replication factor as one, partitions as one. If you do not provide this, still it will be the default values are 1 1, so it doesn't matter. And I'm creating this test topic. So let's do that. Okay, topic is created. You can list all the topics which are there in your cluster using this command. So it will tell you what all topics are there. Currently, we have just one topic. Then we will start. Then we will start our producer. The command for that is this one. Topic is test. Okay. Now we will start consumer so that we can see how the if our messages are getting produced to that topic. So for that, let's see. Topic is our test topic, and we want to and we want to get the data from beginning. So we will do this. Over here, you can provide any message like uh, this message. This is producing. We will check whether it is, yeah. So this means that whatever we are sending the data, whatever data we are sending to this test topic, it is getting in that topic. It is there and it is present in the test topic. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you.